Hey guys, it's Ansley the Spirit Chick and welcome back for another video. Today I wanted to show you a really special little ritual all having to do with Litha. It is coming up very quickly and it is such a powerful and beautiful time of the year. It is celebrated on the summer solstice. It represents the peak of summer when the sun is its most powerful. It can have symbolisms of life and earth and fertility, passion and love. All sorts of spells that have to do with these things are often done at this time of the year. We definitely want to honor the sun and do it in our own way, and so a lot of people tend to get together with family and friends or a coven and celebrate by dancing around a bonfire or barbecuing and spending time outdoors, creating a flower crown. Just outdoorsy things is the main key, things that have to do with summer type of vibes and energy. And so I wanted to share with you a different kind of video today. This is one that you can do any time of the year. It doesn't just have to be during the summer. It is a sun tea ritual, and if you guys have never made sun tea, you guys are in for a little treat. But it is a very magical little drink that you can make, so I'm just going to show you how I do it and how we can incorporate more energy connected to the sun in this ritual. We're going to incorporate flowers and crystals and intention and all sorts of beautiful energy, so let's just dive right in, get started with our ritual, and get to honoring the sun and making the most of this powerful energy on the summer solstice. To start off, you're going to want to pick your jar. It can be any size or shape depending on how much tea you want to make. I just have these two little ones right now, but I think I'm going to go with this one because it'll be easier to strain the herbs out when you're done. But of course this one does look very cool and very witchy. Now the best thing about sun tea is that you can make your own herbal mixes with ingredients you pick yourself, so it can really be anything, even something super random that you would never find in a tea. These can be either loose leaf or in the form of a tea bag, but for this particular sun tea I'm more fond of using loose leaf. The first one I'm choosing is hibiscus. This is because this is a summer flower and connects directly with the sun. And then I'm going to keep the floral theme throughout the entire tea ritual. So I'm going to take a vial of roses and add them as well. Same with lavender. And then I'm going to add jasmine flowers and a little sprinkle of calendula to really enchant the tea with summer energy. You want things that connect with floral, earthy type summer vibes, as well as things that connect to the color yellow or orange or summer color. You can also use sunflowers or chamomile for this as well. Next, we add cold water. Yes, cold, not hot. You'll notice there's already some color to the water already after adding the water, but we're going to take this tea outside to a sunny spot or a sunny spot on your windowsill and continue the ritual to make it even more powerful and more summer-like. Next, I chose this magical little spot in the forest near my house because it feels so alive and earthy to me here. You get to walk through this beautiful field where it feels like the Fae would be, and it's just perfect. It also has flowers growing on both sides, so that was a big draw to me. Some of them are even yellow, so it's perfect for a summertime ritual. To start off, I'm going to place this yellow candle at the top to symbolize the sun. Of course, you can add your own personal touch and do it your own way. We all have our different deities that we worship and our different intentions for a sun tea. But to give you ideas, you could just send in the intention to embrace the summer solstice. It could be as simple as that, or it can be as complex as focusing on specific deities connected to the sun or the sun god as well. Next, I'm going to place these adorable flower candles all around with the sun tea as the focus and the center. This just feels like a perfect focal point, and it's just a beautiful way to represent and honor the sun. Next, I'm taking tiger's eye and carnelian and placing them in the open spots between the candles, because these crystals connect with Litha and the sun in general, but you can also use citrine and other summer crystals as well. To create a more flower arrangement, if you want to go that route, you can clip some flowers and place them around this altar setup as well. Or you can take petals, as I'm doing, and take a sprinkle of calendula and rose to do that. This is just another way to add that floral summertime touch to the altar. And then after that, you can light your candles and set whatever intention you have, or light the candles as an honoring and offering to the sun, and then you're done. You can ask out loud or in your mind for the sun tea to be blessed with the powerful and warm energy of Litha to ignite the passion within you, purification and fire. A ritual chant you can also repeat is, "O great goddess and god, all nature vibrates with your energies. and the earth is bathed with warmth and life. Now is time for forgetting past cares and banes. Now is time for purification. O fiery sun, burn away the unuseful, the hurtful, the bane. In your glorious power, purify me, purify me, purify me. Next, you can just leave this here for 3 hours, but no more than 5. And just make sure that you don't forget about the candles. If you're not going to be hanging out here, make sure you blow them out. And then that's it, guys. You have a supercharged sun tea in honor of the summer solstice and Litha. If you use loose leaf tea and you don't want to drink the herbs, you can go ahead and strain them and enjoy your powerful Litha sun tea. But that is my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this special summer solstice tea ritual, and I hope it was powerful for you. Let me know what kind of tea you made below, or if you're celebrating in another way. Let me know what kind of ways you celebrate. If you do any rituals or spells, or you have a tradition of any sort, I'd love to hear it below, and I'm sure other witches would love to have other ideas, so comment below and share them with everybody. But for now, I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you later, and have a beautiful Litha. Bye!